Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word characteristic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His intelligence and creativity are two of his most admirable characteristics. A characteristic is a distinguishing quality or trait that defines a person or thing, setting them apart from others. It represents their typical or unique features. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.